favorite jam on guitar. It does not have to be hard to learn how to play guitar. And you can have a lot of fun with even the beginner's lessons that I give, and being able to do some of the stuff that I had just showed you right there, which was just simple shapes and simple major chords. And so that's probably right about the spot that I would start teaching you in the beginning if you're a beginner's guitar player. And you know, I can take you up, you know, further into the more intermediate and more advanced stuff on guitar, to learning different scales and different you know, different ways to flourish your style, because your style of guitar may be different than my style, but I can still help you flourish your style of guitar, no matter what that would be, just from the teachings that I have that I can help you with that are very I want to say user friendly, but you know, there's a lot of technical stuff that people put out there when they're trying to teach guitar online. They're very technical about stuff, and they go over the heads of the learners, you know, of the guys, of the students. You know, they go over their heads and they're teaching, and a lot of people just don't grab a hold of what they need to know. A lot of people teach a lot of the technical stuff, but they don't teach them to feel the music. You got to feel the music just as much as you do have to know where you are on the guitar. It's very good to know where you are on the guitar, but it's also very good to be able to feel and hear the music that you're playing, and understand, you know, why it sounds good and why you're playing it. And if you can understand to use your ear, you can actually find songs that are played and learn them just because you hear where it's at and be able to find where it's at on the guitar. So I've learned lots of songs just from listening to them, to understand, you know, where they're at, especially like certain guitar solos, you know, and understanding where I can hear where it's played at on the guitar, and I can figure it out. And that's using your ear, but also by knowing where I'm at on the guitar, what the song's being played out of, and everything. So it's very important to know both, to have both aspects in your guitar playing, of using your ear and your feelings and understanding where you are on the guitar. So that little shape that I'm using there, that is a G major scale shape, actually, that I could teach you, to where you can take that and just run with it any way, any direction you want to run with it. And there's different ways that you can do that, and that's why I played a G with it. It sounds good with it. See how it goes together? It's using your ear to put things together, and also knowing where you're at on the guitar to put things together. And then you can get into even more advanced stuff if you'd like, and start doing stuff like this, possibly. So, you know, and you can learn so much more if you just put yourself forward in your guitar playing, and you're practicing. You know, you don't just play at your practices with your teacher. You play, you know, at home, and learn at home what you know from the pastor. Hang up this call so it don't come through. Sorry. Anyways, so like I said, there's many different things that I can teach you, but in the beginning I would teach you just the basics of knowing those 3 or 4 main chords that you need to learn, which would be G, D, C. I usually add an A minor, and I would teach you a song with those chords that you can play and learn how to play. And it's a real easy instruction for me to be able to teach those who are just now trying to learn how to play guitar. If you're getting frustrated with you know, the technical things they're showing you online, then I would love to help you with one-on-one lessons in here in Richmond, Kentucky, or via Zoom. I can do one-on-one lessons via Zoom as well. So, but anyways, have fun with guitar. I mean, really, just have fun with it, and listen to what you're playing, understand what you're playing, and you know, then you can get to the spot to where, you know, you're playing like this is kind of a bluesy style that I like, that I just like to play with, you know, something like this. So, you know, and there's different things that you can do, and when you start to understand different aspects of the guitar, that I will teach you with the one-on-one lessons. And I just love to play guitar, and I love to help people learn how to play guitar. So it's not a hard thing to do if you put yourself in it, if you put yourself forward and you actually try and go forward with your practicing and your lessons and everything. But I'm just going to jam a little bit before I get off here, just to have some fun and see what I can do here with what I have. Y'all have a blessed day. This is Brandon for Jam on Guitar Lessons. Y'all have a good one.